Hi, thank you for joining me today. So today I have with me two of the items from Givenchy's new spring collection. So this is called Givenchy Gardens is the name of the collection. And they released a blush, which it's a limited edition case, but the actual blush is, so this is the case. So it's kind of like I'm not sure what material this is. It kind of feels like maybe more like a leathery type material. And it's got this beautiful, beautiful image on here of all these flowers. And I've been dying to get my hands on this particular blush. The actual color is called Spice. The Spice color is part of their regular line, and I believe it's their #1 selling color. But the actual case is limited edition for the collection. So it has, it opens the way the other blushes do. It comes with a little card inside that just tells you how to use this product. So these are blush and highlight duos. So it's just basically telling you can use the blush side by itself, or you can use the highlight side by itself, or you can mix the two of them together. And then you have a little angled blush brush that goes right here. There's a mirror, and then the actual blush is covered with a piece of black plastic. So this is the blush and highlight duo. So this one is called Spice, and let me swatch these. So here is the light pink side. Don't even think you can really see that. Let's see here. There we go. And the more corally pink side is right here. All right, so these are the blush colors. So all of the items in the spring collection that I've seen, we've got this one blush, and then there are 3 sparkling lipsticks. So I have #1, Sparkling Peony, and they all come in a different patterned case. So these are from the La Rouge collection. These are metallic glow glittery finish. So Sparkling Peony is going to have peonies on it, and it's a really, really pretty case. There are 2 others, but I haven't been able to actually get them. One of them is more of an orange, and one of them has is it a red? I think there's a red and an orange, if I remember correctly, but they both have different cases. So like one of them is like blue with lilies on it, and I forget what the other one is, but they're all very, very pretty. And again, they're all garden themed. So this one here is going to be like a bright pink, and you can see all that beautiful, beautiful sparkle here. All right, so let's swatch this. Wow, that's definitely a bright pink, and it shears out really nicely. There's definitely a lot of sparkle in that. So I think it's really pretty. All right, so I figured we'll go ahead. Right now on my face, I have on the Guerlain L'Essentiel foundation in 00N. The Sisley Stylo Lumiere in 1 under my eyes. I'm wearing the Chantecaille Hummingbird quad in the Cool collection. And mascara is Chanel Inimitable. And on top of the foundation, I just added a very light coating of the Givenchy Poudre Premiere to kind of set everything. Other than that, I have nothing on, so I figured we would add the blush and the lipstick. And I don't know why, but I always have a little bit of a hard time opening these cases. I always feel like you should pull on the silver, but really you don't. So, all right. So I think for today's blush, let's go ahead with something a little bit wispier, and I'm gonna mix the 2 colors together. This is the Sonia G Soft Cheek Brush, and it's got slightly longer bristles, so it's a little bit wispier. So I'm just gonna mix these 2 together. I actually really, really like this color. It's definitely have like a pop of bright pink, but you can still see a little bit of that coral shade in there. Just gonna add a touch more. So I'm kind of dabbing it on with the tip of my brush to apply the color, and then I'm shearing it out a little bit using the side of the brush. It is very pigmented, so I'm using just a tiny, tiny bit. All right, so there is the blush. This is, again, the Spice color. It's really pretty. Online, when I looked at the color, it looked a lot more like a brownish nude, but it's really just a really light, soft pink and more of a coral color. So it's very pretty. I think it's very kind of more universal. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Guerlain Meteorites in Light for a little bit of a finishing powder today. And I'm gonna use my Sonia G Master Face brush. Just gonna swirl that in. I really love how the meteorites give kind of like that soft focus feeling to your skin. So I really like those. I'm looking forward to getting the new ones if I can ever find them. All right, so let's go ahead and apply the lipstick. All right, so this is a light coat of the lipstick. And to say it's a lot more wearable than I thought. When I first saw the pictures online, it looked kind of like bright fuchsia. So let's build it up a little. So you can definitely make it brighter, but overall, I think this color actually still works pretty well for me. So even though it's like got a metallic finish and everything, sometimes those like bright, cool pinks with metallic finishes, they look kind of like, yeah, they just have like a different quality to them. These actually have kind of a sheer factor to them. And you can see that in the swatch where it gets kind of like shady here. And I don't know, I think that works really well with this. So here's like an up close of the lips. Very sparkly, comfortable on my lips, and I don't feel any grit from the sparkle. I don't feel any on my hand either. So yeah, I'm actually very, very pleasantly surprised. I wasn't sure how I'd like these compared to the Chantecaille lip crystals, but actually I really like these a lot, and I didn't really think I would want both, but now I kind of do. So if I can find the other colors, I might pick those up. But all right, so that's it for this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions. Please leave them down below. And if you are interested in subscribing, you haven't done so, please do so. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks so much and have a great day.